opening RazEdg, I guess. 18-inch bar, chainsaw bar, 0.050 inches gauge, pitch is 3.1/8 inches LP, drive length is 62. This is gonna be for my Greenworks chainsaw, 80-volt chainsaw. The 3 chains. Oh, it's in a Ziploc bag. That's nice. Oh. Brand new yellow chainsaw bar. Look forward to cutting trees, fallen trees on a trail, and firewood for our wood stove.